brain opening for me and for the entire e-commerce team, because we had so much data, so many information, so many insights from all the analysis that we've done, we did with you guys, and all the data that we've analyzed, and everything that we've understood from our own data that we had, and it was standing there. Like, we analyzed a lot of things, we drew a lot of conclusions, but it was still a lot of data that was still to be analyzed. And you helped us in a very big way to understand everything, and not only helped us understand it, because it's one thing to understand it, it's one thing to have some conclusions based on the data and based on the things that you are doing, and it's another with totally different thing to put in practice. Like with you guys, it's very simple. We have the fresh apprentice, like say the guys that just came and had their first purchase from us. You set for them the career path. So you will send them, we will group them, we'll have a specific group, we'll target them with emails, SMS, and so we'll have the website personalization with you guys. Then we'll add them if they drop or if they will continue buying, we'll add them to some surveys, we'll add them to some advertising based on custom audiences from your groups. So it's very simple and very straightforward. Everything, the entire process and the entire cooperation with you guys is very straightforward. It's simple, and it's. After we analyze all the data and all the groups and all the customer groups, and we draw as many conclusions as we can, we change the way the call center agents are talking with the people that are ordering from us, and not are talking, are handling the requests, let's say. We changed the way we do marketing in terms of performance marketing, because we segmented better the groups of, we had a lot of custom audiences and a lot of segmentation in terms of paid advertising. We've done a lot of personalization on the website, so just to change the tone of voice, just to change the tone of communication in terms of how is the website arranged, how are the products arranged on the website. For example, we've started putting the product in context, because people want to see the product in context. It was also a conclusion that we draw together. We started pushing more and more the reviews, because also people tried to ask other people what's their opinion about the product. So we pushed more and more the reviews, and we did a lot of things in terms of packing also, and in terms of, we had a lot of things planned from now on in terms of handling the packages for the customers, in terms of delivering them to them or services. For example, we just added open delivery with free returns, free everything. You just have to order. You don't pay anything. You can open the box of the delivery and you have a look. It's the shoe. It's good for you or not. It's good for you. Pay. It's not. You can return with no cost for you. So it's like to break barriers to have more customers willing to buy, because there are still some things that they don't trust in Romanian online. So kind of. We have a lot of actions planned. Let's say.